Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to place a pin on store purchases on your Xbox Series X or Xbox One. So all you have to do is power on your console and access the homepage. Then select settings from the menu that appears on top of the screen. So select that. And within the settings, select account and then choose sign in, security and pin. So choose that. And if you have a pin, type in the pin to proceed. And then from here, select change my sign in and security preferences. But before we do that, if you'd like to create a pin, highlight this option. So since I have already created a pin, it says delete my personal pin. But if you don't have a pin, just select, it will be written create a personal pin. So select that and create a pin. So once you create a pin, go back to this page and then select change my sign in and security preferences. Choose that. And then scroll down and select custom. So choose it. And then scroll and find the ask for my personal pin to make purchases. So when you turn this setting on, we'll ask you for your personal pin before allowing purchases on your account. So choose the option and then select pin required. So whenever you want to purchase a pin, or rather to purchase a game, you'll be asked to type in the pin so that you can purchase that particular game. So it's basically an extra layer of security so that no one can just purchase games without your knowledge. So that's basically it on how to place the pin on store purchases on your Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.